basics of custody. Custody in Mississippi is defined by a state statute. There are two basic kinds of custody in Mississippi. The first is legal custody. That is simply defined as the decision-making rights for the child. This includes making decisions about health, education, welfare, religious training, and other issues. The second form of custody is physical custody. That is defined by the statute very simply as where the child is. So when an agreement is written or when a court makes a decision, the court will address the legal custody of a child, and then it will also address the physical custody of a child, that is, where the child will be when. Now, if there is a custody contest in court, or if there is a custody contest in negotiation, the parties and the court will look to what we call the Albright Factors. And these factors are named after the case of Albright versus Albright, which is found in our books at 437 Southern 2nd, page 1003. There are 13 factors that the court looks at, and they are as follows: the age of the child, the health of the child, the gender of the child, continuity of care prior to the separation, which I regard as the most significant inquiry. The court will also look at which parent has the better parenting skills and the willingness and capacity to provide care, the employment of the parent and the responsibilities of that employment, for example, working hours, physical and mental health and age of each of the parents, emotional ties of the parent and the child, the moral fitness of the parents. The court will look at issues such as fault in the divorce, such as adultery or drug use, the home, community, and school record of the child, the preference of the child if the child is age 12 or over, the stability of the home environment and the employment of each parent, and any other factors that the court deems pertinent. In the end, the court's obligation is to make a decision which it considers to be in the best interests of the child.